Welcome to our channel. I am Deepak from TechPex Research and Innovation Services. Today I am here to present you one of the electrical domain research topic, that is economic load dispatch. Not only the traditional economic load dispatch problem, but also we have added daily load as a consideration factor along with the wall point effect in the economic load dispatch. For this, an optimization algorithm, that is Firefly optimization algorithm, is being considered to solve the economic load dispatch problem. What exactly the economic load dispatch problem? Let's have a look. Economic load dispatch. Economic load dispatch. So it is basically an program that is used to minimize the generation cost of the plant, right? It can be 3 plants, multiple 5 plants, or any number of plants for which economically problem is to solve, so that output power can be achieved with least cost, right? So basically for this is also come under the power generation systems, comes under the electrical domain, right? For that we have implemented it with the Firefly optimization algorithm by considering daily load along with the wall point effect, right? So let me show you. Basically there are number of factors, those are considered in economic load dispatch, as the daily consumption, the charges, the cost they are charging for a single unit and all. So all the initial factors are being generated and taken from the internet literature papers as a reference, because these values cannot be given randomly. These are from specific plant oriented works. We have followed the base papers also, which are providing these information, so that we can defend that our work is some novel technology, having some novel technology, and the results that we are achieving is much better than with respect to the previous technique. A comparison is also performed with respect to the previous technique. Those values are being taken from the literature papers and being compared. So when I am going to run this, you can see in the command window the iterations for the Firefly optimization are being processed for the multiple power plants. So it is basically a 5 power plant based system, so it can be dynamic also. In that case only the values are going to be changed as per the number of the plants and the standard data set from where we have taken it. So Firefly will be process the information and do the comparison at the end in terms of multiple factors, as the you can see the fitness, that is the cost function. By changing the iteration, the cost is going to be reduced, and as per the information that we have entered in the whole code, that is basically considered in this. Then later the cost with respect to dollars in the daily hours, because we have told that in the daily based load requirements are being considered in this. Along with that, the load demand, the hourly based load demand is how much it is being achieved by the proposed model, that is also considered. Wall point effect is being considered, and finally a comparison is being performed with traditional techniques as PSO, HED and all. So you can see the total cost per day in dollars, that is very much lower with respect to the previous technique. This sixth blue line is basically the proposed model, which is compared with green line as a PSO, HS, differential evolutionary, SA algorithm, and many all the 5 algorithms. So our cost, minimum cost, is reduced, which is the main objective of this particular problem. So I hope you people like this video. Even more modifications are also possible. The classification technologies can be modified, the fitness function can be modified, and the hybrid optimization algorithms are very much popular these days. So the solving the economic load dispatch issues, along with the considering the recent trending issues, as wall point effect is being considered in this. So that is an emerging technology for the research purpose, right? So I hope you people like this video. Stay tuned to our channel for getting latest research fields for the MTech and the PhD. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.